Hi everyone, today we are going to check out this species Phalaenopsis. Phalaenopsis equestris. It had many aerial roots when I acquired it, and we repotted all the aerial roots into the pot. For those who want to recall the repotting, please check the link in the description below. Now we can see that the roots system is growing longer and fine. Not only the old roots is growing, we also got a lot of new roots. Alright, let's check out the flowers. Phalaenopsis equestris is a very important species in Phalaenopsis breeding. Breeders use Phalaenopsis equestris to create a hybrid with more flower counts. Phalaenopsis equestris is also the parent of most mini hybrid Phalaenopsis. And many Phalaenopsis with magenta flowers, including the common big flowers, inherited the magenta color from Phalaenopsis equestris. Phalaenopsis equestris is also famous with its ability to produce spiked keikis. Some old big Phalaenopsis equestris can carry many keikis, and keikis on keikis. So most growers usually keep the spikes after flowering. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.